Hi friends, did you know, just like you, forest families love too.
Mama, Papa, baby, sister, brother. Let's meet them all and not need to hug each other.
Mama bear hugs her cubs so tight, keeps them warm through coldest night. Papa watches from the tree, safe you are, just look at me. Baby fox takes wobbly steps, while big sister shows what's next. Brother deer shares his last leaf. Eat, my friend, no need for grief. Sister squirrel braids her twin's fur. You look pretty, for sure, for sure. Grandma turtle tells old tales of stars and rains and forest trails. Grandpa's beaver builds a dam so strong for all of us where we belong. Family is who's there to care, who listens, helps, and shows they're there. Mom and dad and sister and bro, baby, grandma, loved and more. Families come in every kind. What matters most is the love you find.
It's who loves you, hears you, and stays with you. Who's in your family? Draw them, tell them, hug them.